Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Spanish Daily. So for today's phrase, we're going to be further extending out the fact that we don't understand the Spanish language. So again, as long as you make it known, it's understandable that you're still learning and you're not going to understand or know every single word or everything that's said to you, especially if they speak too fast. It's a very common thing in Spanish. The more you talk to somebody, the more it feels like they're just gaining and gaining speed with their words to the point where they all sound like one word. I know that's happened to me where I'm talking to somebody that's trying to learn Spanish, and before I know it, they start telling me to slow down because they can't understand me anymore. So to address this issue in Spanish, the phrase would be, please speak slower. And the way you would say it in Spanish, por favor, hable más despacio. Now to pair that up with yesterday's lesson, and for those of you that missed yesterday's lesson, there is a link down in the description below. So to pair the two together, you would say, no entiendo mucho español. Por favor, hable más despacio. Now I know that seems like a lot to take in and a lot of words, but again, I don't like to cram everything all at once because I feel like that people just don't understand or don't learn that way, or at least I personally don't. So yesterday's phrase was, no entiendo mucho español. You would follow that up by saying, por favor, hable más despacio. Please speak slower. So that's going to be it for today's lesson. Again, I know that was a lot of words and it did seem like a lot, but breaking it down, it's actually pretty simple to understand and pretty simple to memorize if you just learn one phrase a day or maybe one phrase a week. It all depends on how fast you learn. If you have any questions on this phrase or on the phrase previous to this one, feel free to leave that in the comment section below. Either I or somebody else will help you with that and help you learn Spanish today. Thank you guys so much for sticking till the end. And as always, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.